So, chapter 4, what is going on? Here is a picture. There are six children, and at four children are playing carom. Two boys are watching in the game. Two kitties are playing with a ball of wool. Two dogs are chasing the birds. Here is another picture. The family is getting ready for the dinner. The father is cutting onion for the salad. Mother is bringing a dish. The elder girl is laying the plates. The younger girl is washing her hands. Look at this picture. Say a few words. There is a village in which few students come to school and they study at on the open sky. Her teacher study at her teacher their teacher studying with the help of a blackboard near the tree. How many children are there in the first picture? There are six children. How many children are standing? Two children are standing. How many children are playing carom? Four children are playing carom. How many kitties and dogs are there? There are two kitties and two dogs. What are the kitties doing? The kitty playing with the woolen ball. What are the dog doing? Dog chasing the birds. How many people are in the house? There are four people in the house. Uh, in the picture of a family, what is father doing? The father cutting onion for the salad. What is the mother holding in her hand? She holding a food vessel in her hand. How is the elder sister helping her mother by laying the plates? What is youngest girl doing? The younger girl washing her hand. Pick out the name of a game from the following: carom, football, kabaddi, cricket, hockey. Listen and repeat. Tin, tan, din, dan. Fill in the missing double letters. One has been done for you. Kitty, village, butter, balloon, bottle, potter. Look at the picture and complete the box. There are four horses. There are two puppies or dog. There are, okay, let's count. There are three cows and there are four cat, one duck,